Looking for precision and power in your workshop? The best drill presses for woodworking deliver clean, accurate holes every time. Whether you're crafting furniture or drilling through hardwood, these reliable machines offer stability, versatility, and consistent performance for any project. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Milescraft 1318. The Milescraft 1318 drill mate is an excellent tool for woodworkers who want the accuracy of a drill press without investing in a full-size machine. This portable drill guide allows users to drill straight or angled holes with ease, making it especially handy for small workshops or on-the-go projects. It attaches securely to a 3/8 or half-inch cordless drill and includes a 3/8 keyed chuck, enhancing its compatibility and reliability. One of its best features is the built-in angle readout, allowing for precise angle adjustments at 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, and 90 degrees. Whether you're working on cabinetry, shelving, or furniture joinery, this versatility is invaluable. The drill mate also includes centering channels in the base which hold round stock up to 3 inches in diameter. This makes drilling into dowels, pipes, and rods much easier and safer. The sturdy construction feels reliable during use, and the design is compact enough to store without taking up much space. Users appreciate how it converts a simple hand drill into a precise drilling tool for repetitive or angled holes. It's ideal for creating shelf pin holes, joining boards, or adding hardware where precision matters. Milescraft is known for producing accessible, user-friendly tools, and the 1318 is no exception. Its simple setup makes it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. For its price, it delivers impressive value by enhancing drilling accuracy and versatility. The robust design and thoughtful features like adjustable angles and centering channels add to its practicality. Overall, the Milescraft 1318 is a highly recommended solution for anyone needing reliable, accurate drilling without the footprint or cost of a full drill press. Number 2. Skil drill press. The Skil drill press is an excellent benchtop model that balances affordability with serious performance features. Equipped with a powerful 6.2 amp induction motor, it handles wood, metal, and plastic with ease. Its 5-speed system offers RPM settings from 610 to 2800, giving you the flexibility to match drill speeds to your material and bit size. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for both casual DIYers and experienced woodworkers. One of the standout features is its built-in laser alignment system, which projects a crosshair onto your workpiece, ensuring pinpoint drilling accuracy every time. The adjustable depth stop allows for consistent depth drilling, ideal for repetitive tasks like shelf pins or pilot holes. Its adjustable table height and tilting capabilities expand the tool's flexibility for angled drilling, while the sturdy cast iron base provides excellent stability and reduces vibration. Another useful addition is the integrated LED work light, which brightens the workspace and improves visibility, especially in dimly lit garages or shops. Skil also made this model user-friendly with straightforward controls, a simple speed adjustment system, and a quick release clamp for securing workpieces. Despite its rugged build and reliable performance, the drill press remains compact enough for smaller workshop benches. In daily use, the Skil drill press proves both reliable and precise, making it a go-to tool for woodworking projects, light metal drilling, and hobbyist work. The combination of power, adjustable speed settings, and practical features like the laser guide and LED light make this an exceptional value. It's an ideal choice for those who want drill press precision without a professional price tag. Number 3. Milescraft 1348. The Milescraft 1348 is a heavy-duty drill guide designed for serious woodworkers and DIYers looking for professional-level results without the cost of a full drill press. Its all-metal construction and large half-inch keyed chuck give it a robust, premium feel, capable of handling tough drilling applications with ease. The infinite angle adjustments between 0 and 60 degrees make it incredibly versatile, whether you're drilling dowels, shelf pins, or angled joinery. The extruded aluminum guide head with brass bushings ensures a smooth, stable operation with minimal play, resulting in cleaner, more accurate holes. Dual spring designs increase balance and control during drilling, a welcome feature for anyone tired of struggling with handheld drills on uneven surfaces. Built-in V-groove channels on the base hold round stock firmly in place, ensuring precise drilling on pipes, rods, or dowels. Milescraft includes a thoughtful set of extras with the 1348, including centering pins, a disc for multiple centering options, and optional non-slip base pads to protect your workpiece and prevent movement. The guide head lock feature allows for easy bit changes and secure depth adjustments. A large rubber-coated handle adds extra control and comfort during extended use.
This drill guide is ideal for woodworkers seeking consistent, repeatable results without dedicating floor space to a standing drill press. It performs exceptionally well on a wide range of woodworking projects, from cabinetry and furniture building to craftwork and home repairs. The solid build, smooth operation, and flexible angle settings make the Milescraft 1348 one of the most capable drill guides on the market.
Number 4. Rockler Drill Press. The Rockler Drill Press Guide brings the accuracy of a full-size drill press into a portable, bench-friendly tool ideal for small shops or tight workspaces. It works by attaching your handheld drill to a sturdy, adjustable guide, providing precise control over depth, angle, and alignment. This model excels in versatility with an easy-to-read protractor scale offering angle adjustments from 0 degrees to 60 degrees, making it a great tool for angle drilling in cabinetry, furniture, and home improvement projects. One of the key strengths of this model is its portability. While traditional drill presses are stationary and bulky, this guide offers comparable accuracy in a lightweight, compact format. It accepts drills with 1/4-inch hex shank and features smooth, ball-bearing guides that eliminate play and ensure precise drilling. The optional self-setting drill vise, sold separately, enhances its utility further for specialized tasks. The Rockler Drill Press Guide includes thoughtful details like self-centering pins and a depth stop that allows repeat drilling to the same depth without constant readjustment. The base features V-notches to center holes on dowels or other round stock, adding to its flexibility for different project types. The comfortable rubberized handles provide a secure, ergonomic grip, improving control and reducing fatigue during long sessions. Number 5. Vevor Drill Press. The Vevor magnetic drill press stands out as a heavy-duty, professional-grade tool built for industrial-level woodworking and metalworking tasks. Equipped with a powerful 1550-watt copper motor, it produces exceptional torque and a drilling capacity of up to 2 inches deep, making it suitable for steel, wood, and tough composite materials. Its 10-speed adjustable gears allow for precise control over drilling speeds, enabling users to tailor the performance to different materials and hole sizes. A notable feature of this model is its impressive 13,000 N electromagnet, providing 2,922 pound force to hold the drill firmly to any metal surface, virtually eliminating movement during operation. This results in cleaner, more accurate holes and safer working conditions. The built-in scale makes it easy to gauge drilling depth, while the integrated coolant bottle with quick connect tubing ensures smooth cutting performance and extends the life of the drill bits. Durability is a major strength of the Vevor magnetic drill press. It features a titanium magnesium alloy guide rail that resists corrosion and wear, significantly increasing the tool's lifespan. Its rugged build quality is matched by user-friendly controls and a compact, portable design for use on job sites, workshops, or in field installations. This drill press is particularly well suited for professionals involved in construction, equipment installation, industrial manufacturing, or steel fabrication. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.